TOFU MOFU BOFU. What the funnel actually means for sales and marketing. TOFU MOFU BOFU. No, it's not a new coffee shop menu. It's the sales and marketing funnel, and if you don't understand it, you're wasting time, budget, and potential leads. Every prospect you'll ever sell to goes through 3 stages before they buy. Top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel. TOFU, MOFU, BOFU. And the mistake most sales and marketing teams make is treating every stage the same way. Same message, same pitch, same content, and it doesn't work that way. TOFU. Top of the funnel is awareness. Your prospects don't know that you exist yet. They may not even know they have a problem you could solve. So this isn't the place for a hard sell. This is blogs, social posts, videos like this one, educational content. You're building trust, not asking for a sale. Push too hard here and you'll scare people off before they've even worked out who you are. Let's use ourselves, a sales training company, as an example. TOFU content isn't book a call to discuss training. It's a LinkedIn post on why sales managers avoid coaching their sales teams, or a short video on why cold calling matters now more than ever. It's not a pitch, it's just something useful enough that will stop someone scrolling. MOFU. Middle of the funnel is consideration. Now they know the problem exists and they're weighing up their options. This is where case studies, comparison guides, webinars, and lead magnets will earn their keep. They're not ready to buy, but they're ready to learn more. Your job here is to build credibility. Show them that you understand their world, not just your product. Same sales training company. MOFU is the buyer's checklist for choosing a training provider, or a webinar on how to use LinkedIn for B2B sales leads. It's a downloadable guide that asks for an email address in exchange for something genuinely helpful. They're comparing options now, so this is your opportunity to show them how you think and not just what you sell. BOFU is the bottom of the funnel, and this is the decision stage. They know the problem, they know the options, now they're deciding who to trust with their money. This is where sales conversations, demos, free trials, and a sales proposal come in. This is the only stage where your pitch actually belongs. Anywhere else and it will land wrong. Same company again. BOFU is the discovery call where you talk through their specific pipeline problems. It's the case study that you send that shows results with a business that looks just like theirs. It's the proposal with the pricing on it. This is where you close, not where you introduce yourself. Why does this matter? If your marketing is all about TOFU content and your sales team is going in for the BOFU close on a cold lead, you're going to lose them. Think about it. Nobody wants a proposal on day one before they've even worked out if they trust you. And if you're bombarding someone who's still in the awareness stage with a hard sales pitch, you're going to lose them too. And it works the other way as well. Keep sending TOFU content to someone who's already asked for a proposal and they'll think you're not listening. They're ready to buy, so you need to give them what they need to say yes, not another blog post. Most sales and marketing teams miss out MOFU completely. We need to match the content and the conversation to the stage the prospect is actually at. That's it. Simple. Know your funnel, know your stage, and stop treating every lead like they're ready to buy today, because most of them aren't. So maybe it's time you trained your marketing and sales teams on TOFU, MOFU and BOFU and when to use them. If you liked this video, please hit the like button below. You can save it, share it, or why not leave a comment? Please follow our channel as we add new videos every week. Please visit our website where you'll find plenty of free downloadable information.